Hey everybody, before y'all sit down, if you grab your kids or your grandkids and y'all sit down and watch this together, because I'm really doing this for the young people. I'm hoping that they're gonna love it. The first sandwich I'm gonna make is Elvis Presley's favorite sandwich in the whole world that his grandmother would make for him. And y'all probably know what it is, but I'm just gonna show you how I put it together. And I hate to say I never got to meet Elvis, but listen, in 1973, I told my children's father, I said, if you will just get me to Atlanta to see Elvis, I will never ask you for another thing in this world. Never. Well, he caught up with a driver, somebody that transports cars, you know, these long car transfers. And he said, Jimmy asked him about it. He said, oh yeah, I can get you tickets. Well, I was beside myself, honey, and didn't have any money to buy an outfit, but I said, I want a good looking outfit. So I went and bought me some fabric and I made me some hot pants. I can see it to this day. They were navy blue and striped, and then my top was solid. And then I did a striped collar, Teresa. And listen to this now. I splurged on some white knee-high pleather boots. And I said, once Elvis sees this, it's gonna be goodbye, Priscilla. So we got to the Omni, y'all. And I said, okay, where are our seats? And Jimmy kept saying, well, no, another level. Oh, another level. Well, let me tell you, I was in a nosebleed seat. I think in the top seat in the whole dadgum Omni building. And all I could see was this little speck down on the stage with a cape on. So I knew it had to be Elvis.
And you in your poor outfit.
Yes, me in my homemade outfit. I'm telling you what, and I don't even have a picture of that. That's a shame. But back then we didn't have, we didn't have phones, much less cameras on our phone. So no pictures from that. But oh my goodness, I was the biggest Elvis lover ever, ever, ever. So I'm gonna share with y'all the way I put Elvis's peanut butter and banana sandwich together. Now, I actually have the recipe in my Celebrates book right here. This book, I love this book. It's all about celebrations, and it's got Elvis's peanut butter and banana sandwich. And and I have to say, it is delicious. Simple but delicious. And I think if your children have never had one of these, I think they'll love it. Now, I've kind of changed it over the years in the fact that I like mayonnaise. I put mayonnaise on the side of the bread that I'm gonna put my banana on, because I love, oh, excuse me, Eddie, my soda was in the way.
I feel like we were making a drink.
You feel like we're making a drink?
Just right in the middle.
So I'm just gonna slice my banana and put on the side of the bread that I've mayonnaised. And it may not take the whole banana. You know, just depending on how much banana you want. I'm gonna put as much as I feel like I can get. Okay. Now on this slice of bread, I'm gonna put it pretty thick with peanut butter. I think I'm gonna use all that was in that little glass bowl. All right, so I'm gonna put that together, and then I'm gonna take some soft butter and I'm gonna butter that up real good. Now, let me show y'all what I'm gonna grill this in. My sons, the Deen brothers, also have pots and pans and small appliances. So this is their new panini griller. So I know everything that they use is they use a non-stick. But this is the first time I've used this, so it just came in. So oh, excuse me, Eddie. I'm gonna give it just a light spray. And then I'm gonna lay that down. Ooh. It's already wanting to slide. Now I would bet you anything that Elvis's grandmother probably melted butter in her skillet and kind of fried it. Deep fried butter, you know, I bet you. But we're gonna do ours this way, and it's gonna be delicious. Like I said, I'm using this machine for the first time. It's pretty neat. It's got a timer on it. Oh my gosh, the timer I didn't turn the timer on, so I thought it was hot, but it's not hot, y'all. So we're just now heating up. Yeah, when the timer goes off, it ain't hot no more. Oh my gosh. Eddie just asked me what my favorite Elvis song was. I don't know, I loved them all, but I want you, I need you, I love you. I know he wrote that for me.
I'm sure he did, Paula.
Well, y'all, we got his sandwich ready. Look at this beautiful sandwich. And I did it on Jamie and Bobby's panini press, which I wanted to see how their machine worked because it just came into the house. Normally, I would just put this in a skillet and toast it. So, all right.
And it's the same effect, right? I mean,
yeah. The panini just flattens it a little bit. All right, so I'm gonna do this.
I think Elvis would be proud of your sandwich.
Yes. And I'm gonna cut it in four so I can share it with my friends.
Oh goodness. And I'm trying not to get my
Come on,
hands over-
Teresa.
Well, I can't help. Oh Lord. There we go.
Here, Eddie, I'll just hand it to you. Okay, I'm gonna taste.
It smells so good.
Yum. That panini press got it piping hot throughout, didn't it?
Mm-hmm. That's yum.
All right, I got something I need to take out of the oven real quick, like, because I've got one more sandwich to share with y'all. And it's almost May, so what could be more fitting than a Maday Sandwich for your young children? I remember as a kid us having the maypole, and we had all the different color streamers, and everybody would grab a streamer and you would go in and out until we got the pole
And
wrapped.
you dressed up, remember?
You remember that?
Oh yeah.
Oh gosh,
With
yes,
dresses.
we kind of dressed up. So listen to how easy this one is, y'all. It's cream cheese and maraschino cherries. And these did not get rinsed because the idea is for that little juice that's left on the cherries, the idea is for it to color our cream cheese pink. Don't you think little girls would just love this one? So just mix, mix, mix. And then take your fresh bread. Now to me, I would use the white bread for it. And I'm gonna cut the edges off so the kids can think they're getting a fancy sandwich. Like if they were going to a tea or a tea room. All right, so let me tell you my exact measurements on that, y'all. It is 1 8-ounce package of cream cheese softened, 1 6-ounce jar of maraschino cherries drained but not rinsed, and 1 loaf of white bread. So here we go. I love cream cheese and I love cherries. If I had, you know, I was looking for some cookie cutters, y'all, a while ago because we thought, well, this would be so cute if we cut our bread with cookie cutters. But all my cookie cutters are Christmas. Except for, I got a fish one, a bear one, and one other one. But it would take like a piece of bread this big. Because they were bigger than my white bread. All right, kiddies, y'all come on in from your Maday Sandwich for our Mayday party. I think the kids are gonna love it. I know this big kid loves it. How about you big kids? Next time, love and best dishes.